Your car starts acting like it has a mind of its own, shifting gears so hard it feels like you just got rear-ended. Or maybe your speedometer is jumping around like crazy while you are trying to maintain a steady speed. If you are seeing the P2766 code, your powertrain control module is basically flying blind because it cannot get a clear read from the input or turbine speed sensor, designated as B. This little electromagnetic sensor is usually tucked away near the back of the torque converter right at the transmission input shaft, where it watches a notched wheel spin to tell the computer exactly how many revolutions per minute the input shaft is turning. When that signal gets fuzzy or disappears, the computer freaks out because it can no longer compare the engine speed to the transmission speed to time your shifts perfectly. You might notice your fuel economy tanking or the engine even stalling when you come to a stop, and in many cases, the car will throw itself into limp mode to protect the transmission from further damage. To get this sorted, you should first check for any technical service bulletins because sometimes this is a known software glitch that a simple update can fix. If that is not it, get under there and look for burnt or loose wiring or nasty corrosion on the connectors. These sensors are magnetic, so they often attract metallic debris over time that gunk up the signal. So sometimes just cleaning the sensor tip and the reluctor wheel can save you a lot of money. If you have to replace it, use a digital volt ohmmeter to check the resistance against the factory specs. And be careful when pulling the sensor out because hot transmission fluid can splash out. Always remember that sensor to reluctor clearance is super critical, so make sure the mounting surface is totally clean before you bolt the new one down.